Okay guys, we've been waiting for the right day, for the right weather to get that roof done. Today's the day, so let's get recoating our barn roof. The first thing I gotta do is build a platform to hold my 5-gallon pail on the roof so it's not falling off the roof. Okay, I made my platform. This should sit on the roof and allow me to place my bucket on the peak, on the ridge, so that it's not sliding down the roof. I'm going to be coating the roof with an aluminum fibered aluminum roof coating. It's going to fill in all the little pinholes, weak spots, and cover that rust, and hopefully make the roof last a lot longer.
That is a black piece.
You ready? Back up.
Yep.
Hey Maverick, don't go under the roof right now. Look at, I'm painting. I don't want it to drip on you. Watch out. we got it done. And you have to admit, that looks a lot better than the old rusty roof. It almost looks white from here. It's aluminum, but it really does look white. We're going to be painting the barn next. And then it's going to really pop, so I hope you guys stay tuned for that. It's going to be pretty exciting. It was a tough job up there. Messy. I tried wearing gloves. My gloves ripped. Everything turned into a mess.
Took a while.
Yeah, it was really slow. My biggest thing is my feet hurt because you're always at an angle, kind of sliding.
And you're on like the ridges and stuff,
Yeah.
the bumps.
But we worked through it. Well, I did, mostly.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're just happy that it's done and it looks so good, and I'm glad we did it before it gets too late in the season. That work platform that I made to hold the bucket worked perfectly. I'm so glad I took the time to do that. Such a simple thing can make all the difference between a job being such a pain and so much easier. It was nice to be able to leave the bucket up there stable and not have it dumping down the roof. So that was a pretty easy, quick fix. And that's all there is to share. I think everything went fine. I used one brush, 3 buckets it took us to finish the entire roof. I bought 4 and I didn't open the last one, so that's good. I stretched the last one kind of thin, but that second roof, it wasn't too rusty or anything anyway, so it should be fine. And we're planning to show the whole barn project piece by piece like we always do, and then at the end we're going to do this big reveal, so that's going to be really cool to see like from the beginning to the end. We always love doing those.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think that's all we have for now. I really appreciate you guys following along, joining us today while we tackled this roof. And the motivation really helps because I wanted to quit, but it's nice to get it done. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
Bye.